We're going to make this video on the second channel for you guys, knowing that I'm going to be doing a ton of stuff to this motor and this whole bike over the winter. Said that wrong. I'm not doing anything to the motor other than selling it. We are in search of a 2004-2005 GSXR 750 motor. This motor, I don't know how many actual miles it has on it, but the bike has 51,000. You guys can see the oil. This motor is going to be for sale as soon as we find a 750 motor. So that's going to be the goal. I'm probably going to ask like 600 bucks for it. Nothing crazy, but I'll show you guys. She has not been started in a while and fires right up. I melted the front piece. You can see all that. We're going to be replacing all this plastic with a bar that goes across, but you can see she runs. Runs decent. Figure I wanted proof of it running before I do post it for sale, because once I pull it, we're not going to have any proof of that. So we are sending the forks, the wheels, and a few other little odds and ends we are sending out for powder coating. I'm looking for a new fuel tank. Just kind of going to give you guys an update on the thing more than anything. But DME swing arm, if not Evil, I forget, I think it was Evil swing arm, one or the other, it doesn't matter to me. We're going to be getting the shocks rebuilt and sent these out for powder as well. I want this thing perfect. We're going to do a bunch of weight reduction to the subframe, so like the back pillars, we're going to be cutting them off. I know I was going to do the pegs. This bike is not going to be a passenger bike. So we're going to be getting titanium hardware. I can see here how things have changed. I don't know which one is the factory bolt, so we're just going to get titanium stuff. Just cutting out any little piece of weight we can, lightweight battery. Next year, I think we're going to run the 750 naturally aspirated for a little bit, but we do plan on either nitrous. We'll see. We'll talk about that next year, but you guys get the point. I wanted to make this quick little video to let you guys know that the motor will be for sale. And if somebody has, I don't care about how many miles, as long as it's a running motor, but 04, 05 GSXR 7. Alright guys, I haven't ridden in a couple of weeks. So I think to, finish off the short little segment, I'm gonna go ride. Now I'm not gonna do anything crazy. We do have some videos that may be on the crazier side getting posted. We got about 3 of them left. And then next year we're going to totally, chill out. But I do think, I want to go over some of the goals that we have for the year. Because next year is going to be an absolute killer year. And especially over the winter time, we have a lot of goals in mind. Keep in mind, we got the shop, we got all that. We have the bike getting built, we have the truck we're going to be getting taken care of. We've got all the rust issues that I'd like to get taken care of. And, yeah, I mean, we're going to have a fun little winter, getting our stuff built and fixed, and then getting this swapped. Gonna get this swapped with the do a 750 motor and see how we feel about it. It's nice because they're the exact same bike. I don't know what that was about, but was it a cop? Yeah, it was. Woo! Oh man, I miss riding. I think my pants are getting fucked. But 100% legal. It might be on the chillier side tonight. But you know, it's definitely worth it. I 100% miss riding. I like riding when it's like really, really hot. But, like, you know, I'm just gonna have to suck it up and get used to it. Like, it's cold enough that every time I breathe, it kind of fogs the helmet, which I'm gonna have to get one of those little lock thing, whatever you call it, air locks or whatever, that they make it so that you can't fog up your visor. But yeah, so I mean, between getting the shop built up, we're gonna be working on getting the towing taken care of. We're gonna have at least one tow truck by the end of the year, which is awesome. Trying to keep the budget around that, you know, 20,000 mark, but be running for Copart, bringing them back, and then I think every couple months I'd like to add one tow truck, so we'll see how the first one does. I wonder if opening that'll help. But yeah, so I mean, I don't know, what are you guys' goals? And what do you guys want to accomplish this winter? Because we definitely have a big list to accomplish this winter. And I'm not one to give up and not, you know, do it. I think we've made some good strides this past year. I mean, we've been handed some shitty situations, but we've also overcome every one of those shitty situations. So it's just one of those, you kind of got to deal with the cards that you're dealt. Make the most of it. You know, it's chilly, but it's not like crazy chilly. Also, yeah, gloves are definitely, I need to get myself out there to Cycle Gear to go get me some new gloves. Give them a little rev. Ugly ass Jeep trucks. I can smell the burning plastic. Oh, man. I can smell it. That shit's stinky. You can see the smoke all coming up. Look at that. That's pretty sick. I like it. So the other thing to keep in mind is any of the videos that you guys see, none of that's me riding, you know, any of the crazy stuff, that's not me. I have a stunt double for that shit. It's down in Mexico. Yeah, I need to get that plastic taken care of. That fucking stinks. I think I'm on fire, but it's fine. I really shouldn't be riding this thing. It's not ready, but, you know, we're going to do what we need to do. Once all that plastic burns off. Shee! Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah. I forgot I can listen to music. I'm over here not listening to music. Hey. A lot of cool cars you see every now and again in Carlisle. Yeah. Yeah. That's just stinky. Yeah, this riding season is all over the place because, like, we're getting close to winter. So it's like, some day, like, I could ride all day, but I'll be in the shop all day, so, like, it doesn't matter. But then, as soon as 5 o'clock hits, it's dark and it's cold. So, like, the fact that we got a nice day, at least tonight, it's supposed to stay above 50. So it's like, I'll be a little chilly, but, you know, I'm gonna try to dress for it. Just having a good old time. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, we're gonna wait till we get the new motor in to get it tuned. We got some powder coat stuff coming. We're gonna get things powder coated. Like these forks, all of the gold is gonna go away. Like, the gold was cool in the beginning, but now I got rid of all the gold, so we're not gonna have the gold calipers. I'm getting the one caliper that I have left. I only have the front left brake rotor, which is more than enough, because, like, having the two, it's like, dude, you'll stoppy on this thing. But, like, so that side, we're gonna do it black, and then we don't have the rear brake that's gold anymore. I got rid of that a while back. Damn, everyone is flying today. I love it. 55 in a school zone? Y'all are doing great. Oh, I miss riding. I do. It's gonna suck to give it up. Like, I was okay with not riding for a couple weeks, but then, like, you get the one time to break the thing out, and, like, this thing is fun as hell. Make sure that wasn't a cop, because we don't run from those. So I need to make sure that I'm being legal. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Woo! I like the D-cell. I like the sound this thing makes on D-cell. I also need to get the speedo fixed, so we'll do that in tuning too. These freaking toys are expensive though, I'll tell you that. No cop. Ow! Stabbed me. Alright, watch this. Alright, no law breaking. Something is in my helmet though, I can feel it on my lip. Sick! But you guys have fun. It's going to be too dark tonight to film, so just wanted to talk to you guys about my goals and ambitions for this winter, and I will look back on this video and see if we accomplish them. See you, bye!